Hey guys, today I want to show you what I got in this mystery box from Glow Addict. And this is a Halloween mystery box. It just came in the mail the other day. And I was really hoping that this Halloween mystery box would have come before Halloween. So I've been waiting on it forever, but it did not. So here is a sneak peek. And this top thing on top is not part of the mystery box. I ordered that separately. They actually have items on their website that you can order. So I did order that along with the mystery box. So here's what all comes in this. I cannot remember what the mystery box is called, but it was Halloween themed. I think it was like a Boo mystery box or something like that. So, let's see. I'm hoping there's some Halloween items. And I'll just pull everything out. Whatever's on top. Okay. So, this looks like a brush scrubber. And, oh, that's cool. And it's got a little stopper that I guess you could put in a sink and scrub your brushes. And it's a beautiful, like, minty color. Alright. So the next item is from Grace and Stella. And it's the Rose Spray. And it's their hydrating facial spray. And it has 30 milliliters. And I actually already have this that I've gotten from a previous Glow Addict box. So it smells nice. It's a nice spray. So I guess it's maybe like a deluxe sample size. It's a decent amount. Alright, so there's a few more items in the box. Alright, looks like we have a palette. Okay, so this has partial bubble wrap. Okay, so this palette is from the brand Oakland. And it's their Mysterious One. And it says Highlight Blush Bronzing Veil Face Palette. It's a beautiful pink. Cute. Looks like it slides out, so it's got that. Cute. I've only tried a few things from Oakland. And I've gotten several eye palette, or a few eye palettes from this brand, from Glow Beauty, or Glow Addict. But I've never gotten a face palette. So it comes with a nice mirror. And it looks like it's got 2 highlighters, 2 blush, and 2 bronzers. So that's cool. So this should fit most skin colors and stuff. So that's cool. It's got 2 of each shades. Really nice mirror. I like that. That's cute. I'm excited to try that out. So far we've gotten 3 items. Looks like we've got just 2 more. Alright. Okay. So the 4th item is this face mask, and it's from the brand J.J. Young. And I believe I've already gotten this exact face mask. And it's the Vitamin 2-step sheet mask. And it's Rejuvenate and Lift. So it's got this little squeezy step at the top. So the step 1 is the toner. It says right there. Step 2 is the sheet mask. So it's Rejuvenate and Lift. And then there's instructions on the back. And I believe I have that one as well. So looks like I have 2 out of the 5 items. And I've gotten from Glow Addict already. Alright, so one more item in the box. Looks like an eye brush. This looks cute. So it's got the plastic wrapper. And this is a pale, pale pink. And it says Beauty by a Bird. It says it right there. And it's in cursive. I don't know if y'all could see that or not. But anyways, and then it looks like it might have a rose gold handle. So it's a flat brush. And I do love to use the flat brushes. So really cute. And it's a full-size brush. Ooh, it's super soft. Oh, I love blending brushes and these flat brushes. I like them to pack on shimmers and metallics, or you can run your brush under your lashes to get deep in there, or you can use it to highlight under your brows and your inner corner. I love these brushes. Anyways, I've never tried this brand brush. Alright, so a recap. We got 5 items in the Halloween mystery box, which none of it is Halloween related, or I would not have ordered it. I figured it would be some cute Halloween products. So I'm quite disappointed. I don't know why they called it a Halloween one. So, I mean, because it doesn't tell you what's in it. It just says, it's mystery. So it didn't give you any hints. But since it had the Halloween name, I cannot remember, I assumed it would have some cute Halloween themed items. But anyways, so we got from the brand Oakland Mysterious One face palette, which I'm super excited. So that's one. We got the Grace and Stella Rose Spray. So 2 items. We got this brush scrubber. That's nice. So that's 3 items. We got the J.J. Young 2-step face mask, which I already have. And then this Beauty by Bird flat brush. This is really cute. So those are the 5 items that came with the Glow Addict Halloween mystery box. So there's that. I like everything that I got, but 2 of the items I've already gotten from Glow Addict. So I will put those up in my giveaway pile. And then I'll show y'all this eye palette that I got, that I ordered separately on the website. And this is from the brand Ruby May. And this is an indie company. And I want to say all the brands that are in the Glow Addict boxes are indie brands. But I'm not 100%. But I know this is. And I've gotten a magnetic palette before from Ruby May with a few of the eyeshadows. So I do have that. But other than that, I've never tried Ruby May, which I did get that in a previous box before as well. But she also has a few eyeshadow palettes that you can order from Ruby May. So this one has been out for several years. And this one's the Pop Zombie 9-pan eyeshadow palette. And I've seen this for years, and I've always wanted to get it. I've heard some mixed reviews about this eye palette. I hear it's not that well, but then I've heard it is. So this was really cheap when I ordered it, so I figured, why not? So it comes with the mirror, has the little plastic, and then here are the nine shades that you get. So it looks like you get a few shimmers and mostly mattes. So we've got like an orange shade called Virus. The second shade is called Brains, and that's a light pink. Third shade is called Corpse, that's a metallic. And that might be like a shimmery shade. And then the second row is like a greenish color. That's called Plague, and that's a shimmery metallic shade. Then we've got this bright pink one called Pop. That's a matte. Then we've got this bright yellow called Pus. And the top one I said was orange. I believe it's more of a red. And that's a matte. These 2 are mattes. Then we've got the third and last row. We've got this pretty blue, and that's a matte. And that is called Undead. Then the second shade looks like a navy blue, and that's called Necro, I guess. Then the third shade is a light blue, looks like with glitter, and that's called Gold. So I'm going to swatch this. It's like a neon red orange. So I'm swatching Brains, Corpse. So here are the first 3 shades. Maybe it is an orange, because I couldn't tell on the pan. So yeah, it's like a neon orange. So here are the first 3 shades, swatched once. Get a wipe. Yeah, I really like that, the first shade. That's cute. So yeah, it is like a neon orange, I guess. Alright, so I'm going to swatch the next 3 shades. So I'm swatching the green one called Plague. That's a metallic. Then we're going to do the matte bright pink, which is called Pop. Then the bright yellow, which is called Pus. So that one's like a shimmery metallic shade, and those 2 are mattes. Ooh, wow. So here are the next 3 shades. They swatched really nice. Okay, so now I will swatch the next 3 shades, which look like all blues. And I think they're all matte shades, but this last one looks like it might have a little glitter. Alright, so the first blue is called Undead. This one in the middle looks like a navy blue, but it could be black. Nope, navy blue. That's pretty. That's called Necro, I guess. Then the last shade is called Gold, and it's a lighter blue. Looks like it has maybe slight glitter in the pan, but I don't see it swatched. Anyways, those are the 3 last shades. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, that navy blue is gorgeous. Wow. Alright, then the last blue, I'll swatch right there. Okay, so here are the 2 blues, the little darker one than the navy, and then the lighter blue I swatched right there. So here are all 9 shades in the palette. And the Pop Zombie, yep. So that is really cute. Swatched really beautifully. So I'm not sure what people were saying, because that is one swatch. You'll see me do it on camera. So I'm excited to try this out, and I may try this eye palette out today. I'm not sure, because I have another box to unbox, and that one has 2 eye palettes as well, so I'm not sure which one I want to play with. So yeah, that is the Pop Zombie 9-pan eyeshadow palette from the indie brand company Ruby May. So that is everything that I got from Glow Addict. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Here's a final look from the palette. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.